Good morning guys! Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Today, magluto tayo ng sa Bisaya tawag nilambiran.
Shout out sa mga kakanin maker, yung mga nagtitinda ng mga kakanin, especially Suman Nilambiran. Huwag nyo nang tawaran. A lot of work.
Sumang malagkit na pinagsama yung matamis at saka maalat. First, hi guys! When we're ready to wrap our suman, here's the savory. Ito yung lasang bodbod sa Bisaya. This got ginger juice, salt, and sugar. And of course, coconut milk. And this one's got brown sugar, coconut milk, and cocoa powder. You can use tableya or those from cacao, but I don't have here. I don't have tableya here, so I just use cocoa powder. So we'll start our wrapping with this banana leaves. Transfer it here. And then I use another banana leaves for the still warm. Like that. You can tell if it's a pro or not a pro's doing it. Oh well, if it tastes the same, that's all that matters. Now, we're gonna see how Glenn... Okay, it's your turn.
my turn now.
You better practice, Han, because this is gonna be your job in the Philippines. You're gonna be selling suman
Oh my.
at the market every Sunday. I think yours is really fat.
Yeah.
The white one is fat. It would be nice if it like
Wrapped around.
wrap around.
This is so big.
Yeah, that's yours is really big.
This is
The white one is really big.
This is American sized.
And then you wrap it.
This way.
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah. Hold on. Don't make it too tight because the rice is half cooked.
And then just fold it.
The other way. See, they slip this way, so the water won't, the steam won't go in. Oh, perfect.
And there you go, guys. Not sure it's the quickest way to do it, but best I can do.
Finally, I'm done. Oh boy. I think it took me 2 hours. So shout out sa mga kakanin maker. Yung mga nagtitinda ng mga kakanin, especially Suman Nilambiran. Huwag nyo nang tawaran. A lot of work. And 40 pieces. So for 5 cups of glutinous rice, I made 40 pieces of Suman Nilambiran. Now I'm gonna steam this one and we'll let you know how it tastes.
Look at guys.
Masarap. Matamis. Medyo maalat. Wanna try, Han? Wanna try? Taste? Come here.
How long did it take?
45 minutes. This is already half cooked.
Ooh.
Sarap ng nilambiran. See the chocolate and the bodbod. But it's a lot of work.
She was rolling for hours, guys.
I think the last time I made it, a year ago. Thanks for watching Fluidity of Life. I wonder how many I can eat.
They're gonna be all gone tomorrow when you bring them.
I'm bringing it to my girlfriends. See ya! Thanks for watching
Bye,
Fluidity of
everyone.
Life.
Thanks for watching Fluidity of Life. If you like our content, please check out these other vlogs from our channel.